What if I told you that this alien-looking fruit could be the one thing standing between you and the energy crash you feel every afternoon? While you're reaching for that third cup of coffee, wondering why your skin looks dull, and watching your friends seem effortlessly healthy, there's a pink powerhouse sitting in grocery stores that most people walk right past. This is dragon fruit, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you why this bizarre-looking superfood might be the missing piece in your health puzzle that you never knew you needed. But first, have you ever felt like you're doing everything right for your health, yet still feeling tired, stressed, and just blah? Keep watching, because what I'm about to share could change everything. Let's be honest for a second. You wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. You look in the mirror and your skin doesn't have that natural glow you see on Instagram. You're constantly fighting cravings. Your energy crashes by 3 p.m. and you feel like your body is aging faster than it should. Maybe you're a busy mom juggling work and family, feeling like you're running on empty. Or a young professional watching your metabolism slow down while stress levels skyrocket. Or perhaps you're in your 40s or 50s, noticing your body doesn't bounce back like it used to. But what if there was a solution hiding in plain sight? Enter dragon fruit, nature's most underestimated warrior against aging and fatigue. This isn't just another trendy superfood that influencers are pushing. This is a scientifically backed antioxidant powerhouse that's been quietly transforming lives. Picture this. What if you could wake up with natural energy that lasts all day? What if your skin started glowing from the inside out? What if your immune system became so strong that you rarely got sick? What if you could literally slow down the aging process at the cellular level? That's exactly what dragon fruit can do for you. And the best part? It tastes like a cross between a kiwi and a pear. Absolutely delicious. Let me break down the incredible health benefits that make dragon fruit a true superfood. Antioxidant powerhouse. Dragon fruit contains betalains, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds that fight free radicals more effectively than many common fruits. We're talking about cellular protection that can literally slow down aging and reduce disease risk. Immune system booster. Just 1 cup provides 34% of your daily vitamin C needs. That means fewer sick days, faster recovery, and a body that can fight off infections like a champion. Natural energy without the crash. Unlike coffee or energy drinks, dragon fruit provides sustained energy through natural sugars, B vitamins, and iron. No jitters, no crash, just clean, lasting energy. Digestive health hero. The fiber content promotes healthy gut bacteria, improves digestion, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Better digestion equals better overall health. Blood sugar regulation. The natural compounds in dragon fruit help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing those energy spikes and crashes that leave you feeling drained. Skin health from within. The vitamin C and antioxidants promote collagen production, giving you that natural glow that expensive creams promise but rarely deliver. Heart health protector. The magnesium and monounsaturated fats support cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Here's what's keeping me up at night. Every day you're not eating dragon fruit is another day those free radicals are winning. Every afternoon energy crash, every dull skin day, every time you get sick when others don't, these are signs your body is begging for the antioxidant protection that dragon fruit provides. Your friends who seem to have endless energy and glowing skin, they might already know this secret. Don't let another month go by wondering what if, while your health and energy continue to decline. The good news, dragon fruit is available at most grocery stores, and it's easier to incorporate into your diet than you think. Your next step is simple. Go to your grocery store this week and buy a dragon fruit. Cut it open, try it, and start experiencing these benefits for yourself. Your future, healthier, more energetic self will thank you. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more health-transforming content, and comment below. What's your biggest health concern that you want me to tackle next? Remember, every day is a chance to choose better health. Dragon fruit might just be your game changer. Don't wait. Your body is counting on you.